Hi there, my name is Elena Diaz and I am the owner of Systemize It, which is a company that will help you automate your company. Yes, we can help you, but I will give you more details at the end of the video. Today, I wanted to focus on Credit Repair Cloud 2.0, which is the software that is most used by credit repair companies. And they launched today a 2.0 version. Let's see everything that they are offering now. I'm going to be mentioning a few things that they didn't have before and they added now. First, when you create a free account, they will give you 30 days. They will offer you many stuff. I don't recommend you get them, to be honest. They have a different method for dispute, so I would recommend that you first learn about all the methods available so that you can choose which one is the best for you and for your company. I recommend that you go to Facebook groups, you learn about what other companies are doing, and then you decide if you want to learn more about Credit Repair Cloud method. They will give you a lot of letters. I don't recommend that you use those letters unless you change the wording, because what happens is that every time you use the same letter, the bureaus will reject them and your dispute process might fail. After you log into Credit Repair Cloud, let's start with this. If you go to home, you will see this video pop up immediately. I don't know if this issue is only happening to me, but if you are encountering this problem, there's no way to close this video. So what I had to do is immediately after logging in, I just clicked any other buttons. So don't use the home because there's not a lot of information there that you need. After you log in, then I recommend that you go to My Company. That is the first step that you need to do. You need to create your company profile, your company's name, your website, time zone, and everything. Then go to My Team Members and you can add your team. If you have a VA or an outsourcing, you can add them there. The roles and permission will give your team members the permission to modify, view, or do things inside Credit Repair Cloud. Credit monitoring services. So they allow a few credit monitoring companies, and you can affiliate with them. They will pay you every time that your client signs up with your credit monitoring link. They will also be paying you a fee. Could be a monthly recurring fee or could be a flat fee. So try to see what is more convenient for you. With the 2.0 version, Credit Repair Cloud got their own credit monitoring. So I haven't checked it out, but they say that after you get the credit monitoring with them, here you can see that become an affiliate for free and start getting paid. You can earn high commissions, and that every time that you import the information each month from this credit monitoring, you won't have any errors. If you had the other Credit Repair Cloud version, you might have noticed that every time you imported something and it was removed but maybe added again in the credit monitoring, you would encounter a lot of errors. So they say that with this credit monitoring, that is not going to happen anymore. So I recommend that maybe you sign up using their link and see how it goes, because I haven't tried it. There is a cloud mail. This is a new feature they added. So it's basically that you can mail the letter instead of, printing the letters and having to deal with that. They say that you can add funds. Let's see how it works. So add funds. If you go there, you can add money and they will tell you how many standard letters or certified they can offer. Let's see. And you can turn this on. So that is a cool feature that wasn't there before. Before that, people were using another extension or maybe they were printing their letters. And now you don't have to spend a lot of time mailing those letters or printing them. There is a client and affiliate portal. Every time that you get a new client, that person will have access to their own portal to see how their process is going. Here you can add your own logo. You can check how the portal looks like for your client. So they have a video, the same video, they didn't change that. They have two videos that they use. And people will have to complete all these steps before you start the dispute process. Your client will be able to see this portal just like this. So they will see information about credit, resources, messaging, so they can send you a new message and you will get that message in your own CRM. The affiliate portal would look like this. Let's open it. Your affiliate can send you leads or clients, and that information will be directly imported into your software. There is a web lead generation form, which is basically the same. So we can let's preview it. This is what Credit Repair Cloud has, not only for the affiliates, but for the leads and the clients. And every time someone completes something here, it will go directly to Credit Repair Cloud. But the issue is that not everyone completes their phone number, they don't complete the address, they don't complete the information that you need so you can start disputing. Why this is a problem? Because you will have to manually import that if they don't do it. So what I recommend you do is that you automate this process, and instead of using their forms, you create your own form and you connect that form using Zapier to your Credit Repair Cloud, and you ask for all this information. It will be mandatory to complete all that information, and even more, because you need to ask people if they have a bankruptcy, if they have worked with another company before, what are their goals. I mean, there are many things that you need to ask a person before they sign up, before your consultation. So I don't recommend using these, but it's up to you. I'm just telling you the truth. In website tools, you can preview the form, which they don't have really added like an option to change the form. Like there is no option. So you can just copy these videos in your website so people understand what credit disputes is about. The credit audit is a template they have. You can add your own template that after you import your leads credit reports, you can automatically be sending this audit. They have a video here on how to use it. The client agreement, you can have as many agreements as you want. I recommend that you learn about your state requirements and everything you need to put up the best agreement. They have a default agreement, but I recommend that you work with someone that really knows about it so you don't miss anything, because this is an industry that you need to be very, very aware of what you are offering the client and what they are signing. So make sure to get the best agreement. There is the digital signature, where after people signs your agreement, the signature will be recorded here, and you can watch the video here. In dispute options, you will be able to see the three bureaus. Also, you can manage the reasons and instructions by clicking here. You can add instructions or reasons. You can also change those while you are disputing. Automated notifications. Every time that you get a new lead, a new client, you can be sending different emails. You can modify these, and these are the client's email settings. For example, if you want to email the audit to the client, if you want to send the login credentials or modify it, you can come here and you can choose the template or modify it. The client status types. You will have these options, but you can also add new statuses. These ones you can't modify them, but you can add new statuses here. The invoice options is for people that are not using Billsby right now, but they need to send an invoice. But if you want this completely automated, I recommend that you get Billsby and you automate the payment processing. You remember, you need to have gateway or merchant account with Authorize.net, Payment Cloud, or there are others, but you can't be using Stripe or Square or PayPal for credit repair if you don't want them to shut your account. They will find out and you might be losing your money. So start doing things like it should be correct. Don't get into trouble. Affiliate payments, you can manage all your affiliate commissions through this place. You can update your settings if you want to pay someone a fee because of referring new clients, then you can also set it up here. Active campaign. If you had Credit Repair Cloud before, you knew about this maybe because this is one of the platforms that we use to create your automations. They mentioned that they were going to be having automations from Credit Repair Cloud, but what they did was they added Active Campaign, which is one of the softwares that you can use to create automations. You just have to add your information here and learn how this works. The recurring payments. Here you can set up Billsby. If you don't know how to do it, we can also do it for you. Something that I noticed is that when you click on recurring payments, you can see they are recommending Billsby, but they didn't remove ChargeBee. They don't even recommend anymore. I don't know why they have it there. They should remove that because it's not recommended. I don't think ChargeBee is allowing credit repair business anymore. They're mentioning that here, that ChargeBee is rejecting CRC users. So why don't you remove these? Like APIs and automations, like I said, with Active Campaign. They are saying they added automations. They didn't add any automations because these automations that you can see here are the ones that Zapier recommends. So you can go and log in through Zapier and you will see that these are the automations they are recommending. But you can't do your automations from here. You need to learn about how to use Zapier and you need to go there and create your own account and start creating your automations. Zapier is basically a connector. It connects an app with different apps. So first you can connect a Credit Repair Cloud and then connect it to Active Campaign or any other app. That is how it works. It's not like they are adding automations. So this is all that my company has. Then you can see the invoices here, the library. You can see all the letters that they are recommending for dispute. You can see all your affiliates here. Here you can see all the creditors, furnishers. That is something that you can add when you are disputing. That way you have their addresses and their information. Sometimes you might have to add the information individually. If you go to the dashboard, you can see the overview of the entire process. So here you can see your leads, the clients, how your company is doing. In schedule, you can schedule activities. In clients, you are able to see all your clients and leads. And here you can change the status that you created. Something that we offer is that we can add different status. For example, if you want to send a credit monitoring email and text, we can set it up so that every time that you change something here, it triggers an email or a text, and you don't have to manually send those emails or texts. So that is one of the automations that we offer that they don't offer. You need to set them up. So basically, this is an overview, like a simple overview. Here you can see Every time you get a new lead or a new client, you will see it here on the top. You can also manage your messages with your clients. You can send a new message, or you can manage the team member messages, affiliate messages, and clients. They added this feature like a team chat, and you can communicate directly with your team members. In another video, I'm going to be showing you how you do the dispute process with the one-click importing feature that they have, so that you see how easy it is to dispute. But remember, don't use the same letters. You can import your own ones or modify the ones that they offer, because that is the only way that you can get results. I hope you find this video valuable. Please comment below. I'm gonna leave the link to my Facebook group where I teach about automations and things that might help you make more money, save time, and be better with your credit repair company. And if you need automations, if you need help with this process, so your company is 99% automated, please contact us. I'm going to also leave the link below so that you can book an appointment. We offer financing, so we can help you get automated using financial options. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with everyone you know. Thank you so much.